Another day, another English lesson, common mistakes, like or as. Hello there. If you're learning English, you might have noticed that the words like and as can be a little tricky. Many people, even native speakers, sometimes mix them up. But don't worry, once you understand the difference, it becomes much easier to use them correctly. Let's look at them a bit closer. What's the difference? The main difference between like and as is how they are used in a sentence. Like is used to compare things or people. It means similar to, or in the same way as. For example, she sings like an angel. Her singing is similar to an angel's singing. He runs like the wind. He runs in a way that is similar to the wind, fast and powerful. As is used to show the role, function, or identity of someone or something. It often means in the role of, or in the capacity of. For example, she works as a teacher. Her job is a teacher. He used the book as a pillow. The book functioned as a pillow. Common mistakes. Here are some common mistakes people make and how to fix them. Using like instead of as when talking about roles or functions. Incorrect. She works like a teacher. Correct. She works as a teacher. Here, we're talking about her job, not comparing her to a teacher. Using as instead of like when making comparisons. Incorrect. He runs as the wind. Correct. He runs like the wind. Here, we're comparing his running to the wind, not saying he is the wind. Using like instead of as in formal comparisons with clauses, sentences with a subject and verb. Incorrect. Do it like I showed you. Correct. Do it as I showed you. When comparing actions with a full clause, use as. A quick tip. If you're not sure whether to use like or as, ask yourself, are you comparing two things? Use like. Are you talking about a role, function, or identity? Use as. For example, she dances like a professional. Comparison. Her dancing is similar to a professional's. She works as a professional dancer. Role. Her job is a professional dancer. Why does this matter? Using like and as correctly helps you sound more natural and precise in English. It also makes your sentences clearer, so people understand exactly what you mean. Plus, it's a great way to show off your growing English skills. Now watch and complete the sentences with like or as. One, the child smiles like a happy puppy. Two, she dressed up as a superhero for the party. Three, he used the box as a table. Four, she sings like a bird. Five, the clouds look like cotton candy. Six, the dog used the cat as a pillow. My sister works as a nurse. Eight, she swims like a fish. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more lessons.